So does a force restart delete everything on the iPhone? Let me talk about it and explain it to you. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. The short answer is no. A force restart is there on the iPhones to make sure your phone restarts the operating system, but it's not there to wipe your phone. It's not gonna delete the photos or anything else. However, by the force restart, we mean this. So whenever your phone is lagging or the screen doesn't react to touch, you can utilize the physical buttons on the side of the iPhone, right? So we have the volume buttons on the left and the power button on the right. And if you want to force restart the iPhone, here is what you do. You perform a sequence of pressing the volume up, volume down, and then holding down on the power button. So you perform it in a sequence like this. So when I tap volume up, down, and I hold it down on the power button like this, I'm still holding or still keeping it pressed like this until the screen goes black. I still keep on pressing it, and once the Apple logo appears, I can lift the finger, right? So as you can see, now I have performed the force restart. So all I have to do now is just to wait for the Apple logo to disappear and make the phone restart and come back to the original state. But as I say, the point is that after all of that, your phone is just gonna start fresh and it's gonna keep all of the data. So as you can tell, when I unlock it, everything is here as it was before. All of the stuff like the photos and everything is in here, so it doesn't delete anything. So let me know if that answers your question. Thanks a lot for watching, and definitely subscribe for more explanation videos like this one.